Hey guys, this is KK here, and I'm back with another video. As mentioned in my previous video, I had ordered 3 items, that's the Vibe K5 Note, the Umido VR remote controller, and the Ant VR headset. And fortunately, I got delivered the Ant VR headset today. As you can see, it's showing out for delivery, but just 10 minutes before I got delivered this. So let's not waste time and let's get into the box. And I must say hello to our unboxing Knife. Hi Mr. Knife, let's get on with the work. We get to get this box. Let's keep it away, and here it's wrapped with the cloth, and we have here the Ant VR headset. It's written Ant VR and designed for Lenovo, and here it's written price marked over here is 1300, that's 1299, but I got this at a price of 500, which was on the Big Billion Day. And let's see more of its information over here. So I think nothing much information is given here, and here it's noted 3D private theater and 360 immersive game and 100-degree FOV and glasses friendly, and it's written here Ant VR phone glass designed for Lenovo. And here nothing much we get, and here we get written here virtual reality folding glasses for mobile phone. So let's get into the box. Let's just cut a bit here, so now we can just cut it off. No more company seal. I think we should open this up now from here. Ta-da! We get it in a good packaging bag. It's a fiber bag, or you can say eco-friendly bag. We get here the Ant VR headset. It's written designed for Lenovo, and as you can see it's foldable, and we get the elastic strap, and here we get the lenses. We need to remove this out and place it inside the box, and inside the box we get this. This is most probably the lens cleaning cloth, and we get here the Ant VR phone glass user guide. So nothing much to here. I got somewhere in the last page. Let's just open if we can find the English version of that. So we're keeping this away, and it's a detachable strap, and yeah, pretty much this. And I will be coming with the working of this with the Umido remote controller in my next video. So stay tuned and be subscribed to my channel. Whoa, this cloth is like attracted to me a lot and it's not leaving me. Yeah, so let me just give you an overview of how it looks with the camera on. Wait, let me attach the phone to this. Here's the phone, and here we attach this to the VR headset. Just a minute. Yeah, got attached to it, and it looks somewhat like this. And now if we put it over here, it looks somewhat like this. As you can see. So I will be back with another video. So till then, like, share and be subscribed and comment below. Peace off. Bye.